Sharp Blade WONER hair clippers has a removable ceramic blade and a fixed titanium blade for outstanding performance, always sharp, easy to clean and longer lasting. Low vibrate low noise powerful motor makes the hair trimmer run at low vibration, making it easier to handle it. Ultra quiet design to get rid of working noise, you can even give your child a haircut. Precise length control 5 precise length control, 0.8 mm to 2 mm, and 6 guide combs, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, thinning guard, allows multiple cutting lengths. Cordless corded operation. The cordless hair clippers can be used while plugged in. Ideal for home haircut and beginners friendly. The cordless hair clippers runs on 2000 mAh lithium power that provides up to 240 minutes of runtime after 2 to 3H charge. What you get: 6 guide combs, travel pouch, charger adapter, oil, cleaning brush, instructions and 12 months free replacement warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Super dependable and durable. I have cut my own hair for about 30 years now, almost every 2 weeks. I have had several brands and types and this one has been the best one so far, and taking in consideration how much it has lasted, had it for more than a year by the time I've wrote this, how it looks, how easy it is to adjust, clean, fast charging.